Today, we're going to guide you through setting up your Facebook business page in 2025, step by step. Creating a professional page is the first step to growing your brand, reaching more customers, and making a strong online presence. Even if you're new to Facebook, this guide will help you start confidently and correctly. The first step is to create your page. Go to the Facebook menu and select Create a Page. Choose a clear and descriptive name for your business and select the right category that fits your services. This ensures your page appears in relevant searches and helps potential customers find you easily. Next, fill out your business information. Add your address, phone number, website, hours of operation, and a detailed description of your services. The more complete your page, the more credible it appears to visitors. Don't forget to add a professional profile picture, usually your logo, and a cover photo that represents your brand. These visuals are the first thing people see, so make them clear and inviting. After that, focus on customizing your page tabs and buttons. Set up action buttons like Contact Us, Send Message, or Book Now, depending on your business needs. Organize tabs such as Services, Reviews, Photos, and About to make your page user-friendly. This helps visitors find important information quickly and easily. Once your page is set up, it's time to create your first posts. Start with a welcome post introducing your business and the services you offer. You can also share helpful tips, behind-the-scenes content, or promotions. Posting regularly keeps your page active and helps engage your audience. Don't forget to use images, videos, or graphics to make your posts more appealing. Finally, take advantage of Facebook's tools for beginners, like Business Suite for managing posts, Insights for tracking performance, and Messaging for communicating with customers. These tools help you stay organized, respond quickly, and understand your audience better. Remember, an active, well-managed page builds trust and attracts more followers. By following this setup guide, you can create a strong Facebook business page that looks professional, engages your audience, and sets you up for success in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more beginner-friendly social media tutorials.